Well, welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you're new, returning. Hello, it's me, the Philbilly, and today I'm going to be doing a new thing. I'm going to try something where I do a cold start video of the F7 because, as you can see, it's the middle of March when we have this really cold snap. And it's probably about -2 or something outside at the minute. The batteries are still on the wagon, so I want to get them. It's not focusing. Focus. There we go. I want to get them. Get the wagon started up, make it run it up warm again. Click this in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the GoPro, this little bad boy, outside. I'll probably point it out of an ass somewhere. I might stick it up there so you can see it. Maybe, I don't know. Or I might put it underneath so you can see the exhaust blowing all the smoke out when it's cold starts. Can you see that? Oh, that might be a good view, mightn't it? So I'll stick that there. And the moss and the leaves, so I'll leave that there running while I jump in with my phone. I'll jump in with my phone and get filming from the inside as well. I'll leave that there so you can see it start up and poof all of the smoke out from being a cold diesel Volvo. What are we doing next? Well, I've just climbed in and got a big stream of icy cold water doing me neck. So let's get our cranking out, and but of course let's give us some heat. Hopefully we've got plenty of power. Give it some heat. Well, hey! Rev counter's not working. The fan's not kicked in yet. I'm just letting it build some oil pressure up before I give it a little rev. There we are. Never doubted it for a second. Just, oh, it's lovely, this thing, like. Well, there we go. It's up and running. With a hitch. I love this wagon. Can't wait to get the M&Ox on it. I would think about maybe backing it out today, but it's too bloody cold. Hope you enjoy the video. It's just going to be a little video, just for fun. Because who doesn't have a nice cold start? Smoky diesel cold start. Yeah, if you're liking this sort of content, don't forget to hit the little subscribe button with the bell notification and the like button. Gets more people interested in, the more people are interested, the more stuff I can do, hopefully. Yeah, until next time, ta-ra for now.